Hi guys, this is Coach Nicole, your Bright Life Advocate. Alam niyo ba, I always say na ang best investment is yourself. Kaya ako, I have not one, not two, pero three insurance plans. Yes, tatlo. And let me tell you why. Unang-una, meron akong Sun MaxiLink Prime. Ito yung pang future me. It's life insurance with investments para habang protected ako, lumalaki rin yung pera ko. Para in the future, I can have choices. Pangalawa, meron akong Sun Fit and Well Advantage. Because, let's be real, health is wealth. Ang hirap magkasakit lalo na financially. And with this plan, I know na if ever may mangyari sa akin, hindi ako or yung family ko ang mahihirapan sa gastos. And last but not the least, meron akong Sun Maiden Plus. This is specially made for women kasi iba-iba yung needs natin. Ako nga mismo meron akong PCOS and that puts me at a higher risk for conditions like hormonal imbalance and reproductive health issues. And this plan gives me extra coverage for female-specific illnesses, kaya mas kampante ako. So, bakit tatlo? Kasi iba-iba yung mga pangangailangan ko. Protection, health, and security. And ako mismo, isang financial advisor, I prioritize this. And ikaw din dapat. One life, one body, take care of it. So, if you don't have any plan yet, let's start one for you. Message mo ako and let's make sure your future is secured.